Hi, this is Adele Katsia and I'm posting for the City Hill Divorce Support Life Group Facebook page. This is part 11 on the Emigration series and we're covering Sabotage today. It's something that if you're going to be immigrating and you're in a high conflict divorce that I do want to make you aware of. It is how my divorce went down and how my immigration went down. So I never immigrated to Canada, and what follows is really how the events unfolded. In order to get your visa application, you do need a High Court order that says you may immigrate to said country with child, and that had already been done. So I hadn't got my visa approved before the High Court order granted me permission to take her, because the labour market opinion was still in the process, and although I had a job offer, there were still things that the embassy application process required. And because of that, my ex was able to sabotage me. So he had an attorney that was really a highly unethical attorney, and my attorneys and advocate in fact said they had never seen this before. So what they had done is, we didn't attend my divorce decree, the day of the decree, because it was an uncontested divorce. He'd filed for divorce, so I didn't have to be at court. We'd already agreed that there was no objection to being divorced. And they put into play a whole lot of rules that included not being allowed to immigrate or relocate out of the province that I was living in. They were fully aware that we had already obtained a High Court order that said, never mind moving provinces, I was allowed to leave the country with my child. We only got this days after the divorce decree had already been signed and stamped, because we didn't attend. Now, when I got the order that said I wasn't allowed to relocate out of a province that I was living in, I immediately went back to my attorney and said, this is wrong and I object. And her feeling was, well, don't worry about it because you're immigrating, so, it's not going to be an issue. And she did send a letter to his attorney. His attorney then apologized profusely in a very long letter, saying the magistrate misunderstood their facts and they would have it corrected and removed. Anyway, they never did, and because I was immigrating, I never followed up with it either. I do have right of recourse that I can report her to the Bar Association, blah, 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 and I still may do that one of these days. But having said that, I'm out of time for today, and I will speak more about the sabotage tomorrow. Thank you.